Hey YouTube, Charlie here. Today we will be exploring Lightyear.fm again. Last time when we left off, we were at about 7 light years. I'm just going to continue this. This is going to be a 2 or 3 part video, and also thanks for 4 subscribers. My classmates laughed at me, but I ain't caring. I'm a human and I have rights to be normal. And, well, anyways, here it is. Come on. Look, it's Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky. According to Knowledge Encyclopedia, it has a magnitude of -1 or so. We'll talk about star magnitudes in one of the later episodes. D1216 Sagittarii. And we just passed 10 light years. We're quite far from Earth now. Yeah, I can use the arrow keys to zoom in and out. I kissed a girl. I never kissed her. Epsilon Eridani, LAC 9352, Ross 245, FI Virginis, EZ Aquarii, Ross 248. Nowhere isn't that. Oh look, what's that? Procyon. It's another bright star in Canis Minor, and it's like the little dog star in Sirius, and Canis Major is the big dog star. Tau Ceti. Ox. DX Campri, Epsilon Indi. And I've noticed that some of them use Greek letters or just 2 random English letters. Epsilon is E, YZ is Y and Z. AX Andromeda 61 Cygni. Look at all these stars just floating around in space. Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Grills. Girls, 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 girls. Girls, 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 girls. Oh, okay. Waiting star. Look at all these stars in front of us. We passed so far. We're already up 13 light years. Like, nearly 13 light years. 13 light years. AX Microscopii. Yes, Microscopium is like a tiny galaxy in near the Milky Way, so it's very hard to see. Captains. We're already by 2005. We're already passing by 2005. Can't see. V577 Monocery. Look at all these stars just splattered across the night sky. You can see that. I think this is the point of the Milky Way. Because boing, boing, boing. Grrr. Actually, just kidding. Huge bunch of. There's probably huge wide bands for the Milky Way. FL Virginis. Wolf 1061. I'll do a video about constellations later. I have that very good constellations book right now. Okay. Oh, plus, today's my birthday. Let's see if there's any stars from Aries, because my birthday's in the Aries around. Van Maiden star D0 Cephei. Okay. And that terror squad. Right? My boo, Usher. Confessions Part 2. Get Busy, Sean Paul. In the club. Ross 780. GR 1016. I mean, 1618. A.D. Leonis. Leonis. In the bush. What's new? There's Key. I don't know how to pronounce it. And there's my sister crying downstairs. Oy. She cries quite loud. 70 opioki or opiaki, whatever. This will be an entire series just for Lightyear.fm. But I think I am not going to do the entire series. I think the most I'm going to go to is 27 Lightyears, and there's a reason for that. Because my birthday is March 27th. Hashtag 27. Well, if you want to do it, you can do it yourself. But this is very long, so I'm gonna end it at 14 minutes. LHS 1723, Altair, CC 658, Wolf 294, V1581, Sick Me. V1051. I'm gonna end it right there. You can keep looking at it, but right now we're before the 2000s, and we're about 19.5. So this is thanks again. Thanks for 4 subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button down, like on the top right corner, and